Well, howdy. Well, I'm in here with my sweet potatoes. You can see they're still growing. There's also a lot of brown leaves. What I did, I kind of withheld water and hoped that would kind of set it back. And they're still growing, but it's been almost 7 months. And I figure if they have not made sweet potatoes by now, they're probably not going to. So anyway, I have here a tote, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut everything off. I'm going to bring it outside, and I'm going to dump it into a larger tote, and we're going to see what's in here. So I will come back when I have this out of here. Okay, so I got this tote out and we're going to dump it out and see what we have here. So here goes. Oh man, it's heavy. Okay, that was easy, huh? I don't see anything yet. Ah! Look at that. Look at that potato. Holy shit. That's a big sucker. Yeah, I would say we got a potato. I think that's the only one. No, there's another one. So I got two biggies. I think that's it. The thing is, with sweet potatoes, they grow tubers. They grow tubers when the stems touch the ground, and growing them in pots like this, I guess they can only grow a few. Okay, anyway, I would call that a success. I've got 3 more buckets to go through. I'm going to weigh these and then see what I got. Okay, so we have 4 pounds and 12.5 ounces, so that's almost 5 pounds. This sucker is a monster. I mean, if you look at it in proportion to my hand, it's a pretty big sweet potato. Now, these are white on the outside, they're purple on the inside. The thing about sweet potatoes, though, is you have to leave them out in the air so the skin can cure and dry out a bit. So I'm going to store these, and I'm going to go in and get the other 3 buckets. I'll save that for another video, and I'll do a final video with all the weights and all the potatoes in a group setting. So I'm pretty happy. You know, I was expecting more small ones, but I don't mind a couple of big ones. So yeah, I would call this grow a success. Actually, I just found another sweet potato here. So that would bring it up to 5 pounds for the bucket, I'm sure. So, yeah, pretty good, I would say. All right, take good care, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.